How to fix can't deliver user unavailable on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure that you have an updated version of the Messenger application on your device. So just go and search for Messenger application on your device on the Play Store. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back and then tap on settings. Then all I have to do is just scroll down to apps and then tap on manage apps, and here you need to search for Messenger application on the device from the app list. So just scroll down and search for Messenger, then tap on the clear data option, then clear cache, tap on OK, then tap on app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the options that are required for the efficient operation of the application on your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.